got something interesting here. Serious one. Figure I'll film it. Build up that backlog. Ding. It's like 1 a.m. at this point. It's kind of creepy, but I like it. Hello. I have to pee. I hope I don't get stuck. Getting stuck while I have to pee would be very unfortunate. What the fuck? Oh, this is weird. Oh shit, I just went 5 floors underground. It's a nice garage elevator right here. What the fuck? Wait, no, there is no B1. Oh, pardon me. Before I have to pee, let me out of this thing. I don't know. Oh, that's promising. That's really promising. Okay, I'm gonna go pee now. Oop, I just ripped ass. I like that lantern. That's it.